Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This morning I come for a little wander around my local patch of coalhouse fault. So it's overcast, it's not cold, high tide's around 1 o'clock. Yeah, just thought I'd do a morning nature walk, see what's about. I thought I'd take you along. It's pretty quiet today. Just bumped into a birding friend of mine, Paul. He got some common scooter which are out on the river. And there was another duck, a private duck, I can't remember what he said now. Yeah, there's not much on the scrape. Lights pans, to be honest, for photography. There's a couple of little egrets about over there. So high tide's about 1 o'clock, so I'm going to head up to the radar tower, because Paul said there's been a few waders up there, grey plovers, a few other bits and pieces, so I'm going to head up there. Just hang around there for a bit, see what we can see up there. I'll take you up there. So it's about a 10-minute walk from where I am now. Oh yeah, I'll get back to you in a bit, see what we can see up there. Alright, so I'm just up by the radar tower now, I'm coming up to it. There's loads of white birds coming up. Black-tailed godwit, curlew as well. Yeah, this big flock went up. I didn't see any birds flying about. Let's go and have a look. Get down on the foreshore, see what we can see. See what we can photograph anyway. There's a few bits and pieces out there. There's a black-tailed godwit. What else is there? There's some mallards out there. Little egret. And some more ducks, I can't remember what they're called. So yeah, tide's on its way up now, so it's going to push everything up. Ducks are called now. I think, and I'll let you know. Right, so I've got there's a pair of little grey plover out there. I just had a black-tailed godwit as well. A black-tailed godwit came in and pushed off one of the greys. Yeah, I'm going to give it stand here for a bit, see what else comes in, because the tide's coming up now. So there we go. Let's see how we do. Alright, so come away from the radar tower now. It's getting a bit nippy, a bit blowy. I've got ring plover, oystercatchers, and some redshank or greenshank. So yeah, this is only going to be a very short vlog, this one. So I'm off home now. But tomorrow, I'm thinking about going to Wallasey. It's going to be sunny and cloudy. So yeah, it's not going to be too bad. I want to go there because I want to try and get some images of ringtails, hen harriers. So I'm going to try and get there early. Get up early. Get myself over there. It's about 45 minutes from where I live. Yeah, I haven't been to Wallasey for a while. There hasn't been any reports of short-haired owls over there yet, but you never know. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow morning. Obviously wrap up warm, because it can get quite blustery over there. So yeah, that's tomorrow's plan. So I've got a few images to put up in this vlog. So this is only going to be a very short vlog, this one. Today at Coalhouse Fault. I bumped into another friend, who's only just getting into bird photography. He does planes and stuff like that. It's a plane. Does a lot of military stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let your friends know. please by all means share my videos if you don't mind, the vlogs. It'd be good to get a few more people, subscribers on my channel. I've had a couple this week, but nothing huge. I'd like to get a lot more followers if I could. Oh yeah. So you'll find me on Facebook, Nick Robert Lay. I've got a group, East Tilbury Wildlife, connecting people with nature. I'm on Instagram, Twitter now and again as well. So yeah, Instagram, post on there now and again. So yeah, thanks for all the followers, guys, and all your comments and likes. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.